Want to ditch those pesky ATM fees and load your Cash App card directly? Let's dive in. First, locate a participating ATM. Check the Cash App for ATMs that support card deposits. These are usually major bank ATMs or those with a deposit function. Insert your Cash App card into the ATM card reader, just like you would with any other debit card. Enter your Cash App card's PIN when prompted. If you've forgotten it, you can reset it in the Cash App. On the ATM menu, select the deposit option. It might be labeled slightly differently, but look for something related to adding funds. Choose the account type you want to deposit into. Typically, you'll select checking, even though it's a Cash App card. Carefully insert your cash into the deposit slot. The ATM will usually guide you on how to do this correctly, one bill at a time or a stack all at once. The ATM will display the amount it's recognized. Confirm that the amount is correct. If there's a discrepancy, you can usually cancel and recount your money. Once you're satisfied, confirm the deposit. You'll usually have the option to print a receipt for your records. Remove your Cash App card from the ATM, and you're all set. The funds should appear in your Cash App balance almost immediately.